In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop from Alibaba for personal use. We'll walk through finding the site, choosing an item, and paying securely so you can place a small, single item order with confidence. First, open your web browser and search for Alibaba, then click the official Alibaba.com result. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're logged in, so checkout is smooth and your details autofill where possible. Next, head to the search bar and type what you're looking for. For example, clothes women. On the results page, take a moment to scan listing previews. If you only want one piece, make sure the minimum order quantity, often shown as MOQ, says one piece. Many suppliers sell in bulk, so that number is key for personal orders. You can also glance at ratings and shipping estimates to quickly rule out options that don't fit your needs. When you find an item you like, click it to open the product page. Review the photos, description, available colors and sizes, and estimated shipping cost and delivery time. It's helpful to check the size chart because measurements can vary by supplier. Comparing those to a tape measure at home can prevent returns. If the listing shows buyer protections like trade assurance, that's a reassuring sign. Now start your order. Click Start Order to open the purchase panel. Select your preferred color, then choose your size. If you need more than one of the same size, use the plus sign beside the size to increase the quantity. Before moving on, skim the order summary to confirm the item, color, size, quantity, shipping method, and total cost look right. When everything checks out, click Start Order again to proceed. At checkout, choose your payment method. If you don't have a saved card, you'll be prompted to add one. Click Add a new card, enter your card details along with the name and billing address exactly as your bank has them. Then click Confirm. For security, only enter payment information on Alibaba's checkout pages and consider enabling two-factor authentication on your account. Also verify your shipping address is complete and accurate to avoid delays. Finally, click Pay Now to place your order. You should see an on-screen confirmation and receive an email. From there, you can track the order in your account, watch for any messages from the seller, and monitor shipping updates. Delivery times and any customs duties depend on your location and chosen shipping method, so plan accordingly. And that's it. Search, select, start the order, pick your options, and pay. You're ready to shop on Alibaba for personal use with confidence.